What's going on, YouTube? It's only back with another banger, and you can't believe what this guy right here. He just had a blowout on the middle of the highway. Well, he's into the picture, right? Boom. But this tire was gone. You have video clips?
Yeah.
Can you send me a clip?
Yep.
So put it right. Boom. Like, can you believe that he did that? Like, are you blind? And look at the curb. He's curved. He curved. And they gave him the wrong tire. I'm telling him it's the wrong tire. But anyway, look at this beauty. You got to get some car washes, get some rollers. This is probably just gonna be a blooper for a video. It's only might make it own video. But chat down below. Let him tell him take this front plate off. Cause look, the car is so much cleaner off the front plate.
I'm trying to tell him that I can't rock that with that dark ass tint.
Come
You can
on.
see through it now, yeah. But on a regular day, you can't see.
Come on, cause let's slip and slide over here real quick. Woo. All this damn ice. Look at that clean front end. No plate. That should look good. I ordered something for this car. Y'all gonna love. He was going to order the same thing, but that destroyed his pocket. So hopefully this week he buys it. But
I'm still gonna buy it.
He's still gonna buy it. But we got something coming for the car because we're not gonna be up here no more. If you know what I mean.
No more monster trucks
Nope.
with me.
Hey. Shh. But we got stuff coming. But we gotta find someone to do it. We got some cool stuff coming. I got more stuff because I want a front lip. I ain't gonna lie. And I'm trying to convince him to get a front lip. So we don't know. But it's cold out here. My hands are freezing brittle. If Aiden was here, you tell me I come out and record in any condition. So we went to get in the car and get rollers and shit. And look at his top. Look at his rim. Damn. Wait. Why did he get the bump? The whole thing got discombobulated. Got the wash, clean car as always. Same spot as always. Oh. The front, ooh, voice crack. The fronts are dirty, you feel me? I got everything going. So we did the thing, it's just popping. The silver/chrome is just popping. Sheesh. You gotta really clean these rims too. But I would not even want to touch some spokes. What a day for that man, man. It's not 100%. It's kind of half-assed. Well, it's so cold. I can't feel my hands. I'm hungry. We're about to go get food. Go park up. These are the vehicles now cleaned up to the best of our ability because it's like -2 degrees out here, it feels like. Cars are clean. Now? Oh my God. About to go get some food and go to our spot, and then that's the video. So chat, we made it to the spot. This is the spot that I found last video, but I didn't come over here until after. But these are the cars put together, cleaned up, looking good as ever. Everything's put together on both cars. His rim is back finally, tires on like y'all saw. So everything is good. But this is a quick video. Just wanted to say my what's up for the week, you feel me? We got crazy stuff coming in the future. You want to see his POV on his channel. I'm gonna put that down below. He'll make sure he posts that before I post this. But yeah, we got crazy stuff coming along. We're excited. We're wasting hella money on this, but y'all better enjoy the content. So I'm gonna give y'all a little B-roll. But O'Neal out. Peace.